The real truths about microwaves. You've probably used one today. It is convenient, fast, and almost magical. But how much do you really know about your microwave? Today, we're diving into the real truths, debunking myths, revealing facts, and maybe even changing the way you use this everyday appliance. The real truths about your microwave. From the video you can see the electromagnetic waves and water molecules moving rapidly. First off, let's talk about how microwaves actually work. Unlike conventional ovens that heat food from the outside in, microwaves use electromagnetic waves to excite water molecules in your food, generating heat from within. That is why your food heats up so quickly. Which brings us to myth number 1. Metal in the microwave will always cause an explosion. Well, not exactly. While crinkled foil and thin metals can spark and be dangerous, a smooth metal spoon or even some microwave-safe metal cookware will not necessarily cause a catastrophe. Still, it's best to avoid metal just to be safe. Common myths debunked. Microwave myths. True or false? Let's play a little game. True or false? Microwaving food destroys its nutrients. False. In fact, microwaving often preserves more nutrients than boiling because it cooks food faster and with less water. So, go ahead and nuke those veggies. Next one. Microwaves can cause cancer. Pause. Again, false. Microwaves use non-ionizing radiation, which means they do not have enough energy to alter your DNA the way harmful radiation like X-rays or gamma rays do. Your microwave is not a tiny Chernobyl waiting to happen. Safety tips and best practices. Now, even though microwaves are safe, there are still some things to keep in mind. Like, ever notice those small holes in the door? That mesh keeps microwaves inside, preventing leaks. But if your microwave door is cracked or damaged, time for a new one. And plastic? Not all plastic is microwave safe. Some containers can leach chemicals into your food when heated, so always check the label. If it does not say, microwave safe, just don't risk it. So there you have the real truth about your microwave. It is not an evil radiation box, it will not strip all the nutrients from your food, and with proper use, it is completely safe. Got any microwave hacks or myths? Drop them in the comments. And do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more truth-revealing content. See you next time. If you find this information valuable, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and connected to the world around you.